Hello everybody. I'm now working on a coin from Constantius II, and this lovely little Roman coin is coming out quite well. And I wanted to show you first of all that the back side, the reverse side here, I haven't even touched the reverse side yet. It's still encased in its hard mud, but it gives you an idea of what I started with. The obverse side, I've been working on it now for about 2 days, and it's almost finished. I'm just now using the fine tip tools very slowly to clean around the lettering and into the cracks of the clothing and the hair lines in the hair, and that's very, very delicate work, and that's the part I'm working on now. You may have seen my earlier videos where I've started the coin cleaning. This one is more like the ending of it, and I've just about finished this side here. I'm going to show you now, as you can see here, this beautiful little coin, and I'll start to work around these letters here and then get into these cracks that you can see like around the ear, the eye, and then the hair. After that, the coin should look quite nice, and then I'll polish it up with a silver cloth that I use for polishing silver coins, but it works great on beautiful patina as well. After that, it will be soaked for a little bit into some sodium carbonate solution, followed by just plain distilled water. After that soaking, I will then place it into another solution to help harden the patina. Then it goes into the oven, gets baked, and then while it's warm, a wax is applied, and that will be it for preservation of this coin, probably forever. For right now, though, I'm going to finish this side, and then I'll come back and show you in photographs what it looks like when it's finished, and then we'll start on the reverse side. So to begin, I'm going to start with these lettering where I can see that it says DN Constantinius Augustus. Actually, it's PF Augustus, but anyways, what I'll do is I'll start over here on this coin, on this side of the coin where the lettering is, using the smallest diamond tip tool that I have. It's actually a diamond dust. It's extremely fine. It's the finest made as far as the grain of the material. I just have to touch this material and it will come right off of the patina. The coin is drying out now, so I need to get it wet, and then I'll zoom in. So put a little water on the coin. It's actually very soft because it's got lots of sodium carbonate in it, which helps dissolve the debris as well. Rotate the coin where I'm going to start work on the letter D. Adjust the light just a little bit for you. And there's the letter D is right there. DN for Dominus Noster, Constantius actually, and let's zoom in and begin work. Just go around the letters. Fortunately, I can see them. I'm not using any pressure with this tool. It's just the weight of the tool itself that's removing the material. Being careful not to touch any of the patina that's exposed. You can see this gray debris that's starting to float. That's the debris that I'm taking off. I'm not taking all of it off, but I am taking enough of it, or loosening it up. And then when I take this to the sink and brush it with a soft nylon brush, all that material will come off. Okay, so the letter N, I know there's a space between the N and the S, so I know I can go in there and remove all of that. And now the letter T. There's a little bit of material of the patina that came off right there, but that was off just from when I was cleaning off the initial dirt with a brush. It just flaked right off. The rest of the patina is in pretty good shape, so I'm not really worried about that little bit. I'll seal that up later with a chemical soak, just to prevent any bronze disease from getting into that part of the coin. Okay, I'm not going to work any more on those letters a little bit until I brush that off, because I don't know where I really need to concentrate. One thing I like about this tool is that if I rub over patina, it squeaks, and when I rub over debris, dirt, it doesn't. But I can feel a grinding if I'm hitting dirt, and then it smooths out and squeaks if I hit patina, so I can tell how much pressure I can use. See, as the coin is drying, you can actually see this stuff coming right off very easily. It's not floating because it's too dry. Here's some little grooves I can get into. And again, the way I can tell how deep I need to go is almost by feel versus by visual. As long as I can feel it being rough, I know I can keep going. And I'll take this to the sink and rinse it off and show you what we got. That's what it looks like now. And all that whitish material will brush off now, leaving just the patina below it.